Friends, I am going to tell you today how to solve problems on Thevenin's theorem. For example, if you have a circuit here like 5-volt supply, it's a resistance of 2 ohm, again 2 ohm resistance and a 2 ohm resistance again. Then how will you solve this circuit using Thevenin's theorem? Let the load resistance be RL, across which you have to apply the Thevenin's theorem. How will we do this? We will open this load resistance. When you open this load resistance, you need to find out the voltage across this open terminal. For example, then you will have the condition: you have 5-volt supply, a 2 ohm resistance, here a 2 ohm resistance, and you need to find out the voltage across this 2 ohm resistance. Then what you will do, now you will find out the voltage across this 2 ohm resistance. So total resistance will be 2 plus 2, 4 ohm. The current flowing through the circuit is V upon R. V is 5, resistance is 4. Okay, so the voltage across 2 ohm resistance is, the voltage across this is V is equal to 2 into I, that is 2 into 5 by 4, 2 to cancel, that's 5 by 2 volts. So this is your VTH. VTH is 5 by 2 volts. Now you need to find out the value of RTH. RTH can be find out. How will you find out? You will short the voltage source. You have one resistance here, one resistance here, 2 ohm and 2 ohm. Now you need to find out the resistance from this side. As you can see, these two resistances are in parallel, so RTH will be, these two resistance are in parallel, that's why 2 into 2 plus 2 into 2, 4, it's 1 ohm. So Thevenin's equivalent circuit will be VTH, RTH and RL. RL is 2 ohm, RTH value is 1 ohm, VTH is 5 by 2 volts. If you need to find out the voltage of V load, VL equals to IL by RL. So IL value is, you can find easily from this equivalent circuit. I hope you have understood this Thevenin's theorem problem. It will give you brief idea. Thank you.